Sup G's, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great New Year's. I bet you guys have lots of resolutions that needs to be done or followed, and if it goes well, good luck to you guys. So before I start and talk about what this video is gonna be, something awful happened a while ago, like literally a while ago. I was filming before refilming again, if that makes sense. And I finished the entire thing and I found out that my microphone was off. And that killed me. That pissed me off so much. You had no idea, because I was preparing and I had to check each and everything was on place. And it's a bit frustrating when you're traveling and you don't have a lot of equipment to get things done. So I have very limited stuff with me and the time is running. I don't even have my light that I use for filming. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, ring light. So I'm just using the sun rays and it's almost like 5:30. I don't know if you could see the time there. And I don't know if I could make it through the video, and if I do, that's gonna be great. If not, then I am sorry. I swear this is so frustrating. So I'm fresh out of the shower. You can see that, obviously, duh. So before I get to the actual part of the video, make sure that you guys check out my previous video, which is my first vlog here in Mauritius, and it was a bit different. I liked it. It was fun. I didn't carry my power bank that day. I was unprepared, like always. I'm never really prepared for anything, but that's fine. And it was just amazing. The dolphins were so cute. You could even swim with them, but I didn't really had the chance to swim with the dolphins because they were so fast, like really fast. My cousins did. They jumped in and they were fast swimmers, unlike me. So if you guys haven't checked it out, please do. I'm gonna leave the link below or suggestions up there. So right now, for today's topic, it's about doing my makeup using my mom's makeup. Only. So I had to negotiate with my mom to use her makeup. She was like, "No, child, you're gonna finish off all my makeup." And I was like, "No, dear mom, I'm gonna get you more makeup." And she was like, "No, dear child, I don't believe you." And I was like, damn it, she's right. I'm just kidding, of course. She's my mom. She can have whatever she wants for my makeup. But the thing is, she never really takes it. She comes up to me and she asks me, "Baby, can I have the makeup?" And I'm like, "Okay, take it." Maybe not all of it. Maybe some of them. I love makeup, so don't blame me. What's hers is mine. But what's mine is debatable what's gonna be hers. Mom, I love you. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna finish all your makeup. Dad, I love you too if you're watching. Please don't get jealous. I love you. So here we are. I got my mom's makeup bags here. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's so weird because I'm literally shocked the way she keeps her makeup, and I think it's cute. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. This is my mom's makeup bag. I got her a makeup bag and she's not using it. She's using it for other stuff. I think it's a good idea to keep it on the zip bag, but she keeps them like everywhere. Even when we're in Dubai, I mean, it's plastic. I don't really like plastic that much, but that's fine. So let's see what she's got in there. So the first thing we've got, it's a sign that I should not be doing this, using her makeup, but I'm still gonna do it. So we got the foundation, the Makeup Forever foundation. I was using this literally 4 years ago. I gave it to her 4 years ago and she is still keeping it. Seems like it's her favorite foundation and her only foundation. Quite light for me because my mom is very fair. I was using this for my cosplay makeup. I was cosplaying in Comic-Con. So she does not carry concealer, but that's fine. And we have some more products here. With the Beauty, Morphe, and Nikak. I never heard of Nikak, but I never used this. My mom never used it as well. Clearly she hasn't. And then the Morphe, I was using it before. I got this like last year. My mom uses this a lot. She loves blushes. And of course, the famous Huda Beauty. She loves this. I love this baking powder. I have the same, but a shade darker. It's called Banana. This one's called Pound Cake. So I gave my mom a few brushes, like full-size brushes, and this is what she did. Yep. Oh my god. Mommy! I've got a beauty sponge, which is probably gonna rip my face off because it's quite hard, but it's fine. And we've got some few interesting stuff here. We got eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Cool. Mascara from Sephora. I gave her this before. I'm not sure if she's still using it. Lipstick. I remember I used this for my cosplay makeup. It's a cosplay makeup lipstick. It's not an actual lipstick. My mom has actual lipsticks, but she would never let me use them because they are Dior, like Dior. She doesn't want me to use them. Okay, I get it. 3 are actually my mom's favorite sticks. These are like the strobing sticks. It's basically like an eyeshadow stick. It is an eyeshadow stick. It's just like, it's shimmery. And that's how I actually got into makeup when I was younger, because when I was like 7 or 8, my mom owned many of these types, like in different colors, and she would literally just swipe it over her eyelid and that's it. Her makeup is done. Boom. And the rest over here are eyeliner pencils. I like this. It's like, very convenient. It's got sharpener and, you know, double edge. Nice. She's got a body sparkle. Never used it. I don't think so she did. And finally, she's got a sharpener. So this is supposed to be a makeup sharpener, but it's not. It's actually my sharpener from school. I can't believe she's using this. It's so cute of her. I love you, Mom. Love you so much. Okay, so we're gonna start with the foundation. My mom is in the background. You could hear her doing her chores, but just ignore. So I should not use a lot of her makeup, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm not gonna use a lot because it's gonna make me so fair, which is already starting to make it look like I'm so fair. Oh dear. This is so hard to blend. Oh my god, look at that. Ah, how does my mom do this? Oh, I'm gonna get wrinkles. Acceptable. Acceptable. We're getting somewhere. Since my mom does not have concealer, I'm gonna use the foundation. So I forgot to mention that this video is inspired by Nikki Tutorials and James Charles, because they did a makeup challenge using their only mom's makeup, and I think that was so cute. So I was like, why not give it a try? I'm taking my mom's cute broken brush and just baking my under eye. My mom actually learned how to bake like in makeup. She knows how to bake in real life, but she learned this from me. And she's been doing it quite well. Like, I'm proud of her. I honestly need to get my mom new foundation and concealer because she's running out of foundation and I'm just making it worse for her. My mom does not have any brow products because she already has good eyebrows. And I'm gonna show you how she actually wears her eyeshadows. So I'll be taking the one in golden and sand. The sand is like white and the golden is gold. So this is how she does her eyeshadow. She will literally have just few swipes on top, just like that. And boom, she's done. Bright and white. And then I'm gonna take the golden one and just go a bit on the top. Yeah, my mom does her makeup this way. And it's cute. When mom applies her eyeliner, she does not draw a wing because her eyes are a bit smaller than mine. We follow mom's legacy. Yep, just follow her legacy, follow her steps, do not ruin it, do not draw a wing. And we stop right here. Oh boy, I really do want to draw a wing. Alright, there we go. It looks nice. I don't usually do my eyeliner this way. I love drawing a wing like this or a bit thicker, however, you know, like to have a cat eye. And now I'm gonna be dusting the powder off. God, I look so gray, so pale. I don't usually do my makeup this way, but the stuff are really limited and they're not my shade and not my type of makeup, but that's okay. It's not really a makeup tutorial, it's just like, you know, playing around with my mom's makeup, which probably means it's not gonna happen again because mom is not gonna let me use her makeup. So moving on to the eye pencil, usually my mom would just draw on her waterline. She doesn't really go heavy. Yeah, that's it. I feel like that's how I did my makeup back in school. I look weird. I look gray. Okay, so time for some mascara. This is a Sephora mascara I gave to my mom. I hope it still works. And I don't think there's anything. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so we're out of mascara. So moving on to the face. Give me your lipstick, mommy. You'll give me or no? So my mom would usually use a red lipstick for blushes, and now that she's back home, I've asked her if I could use her lipstick, and she's like, okay. And she's like, you know, my lipstick is always in my bag, and I'm like, yes, I know. So mom would usually do her blush this way. Up 1, 2, 3. That's a lot. And then she's gonna wipe it off. Like swipe. And that is too much. Oh boy. Save me. Alright, blender, save me. And it's okay. Yeah. I'm gonna do the same over here. My mom taught me this technique when I was younger, and I think it's been followed for a very long time, and she still uses this technique and I love it. I do this for work and it stays all day because at work I move a lot, I move around, and it doesn't, like, you know, fade away, and it's great. So yeah, she keeps it this way, and then takes her brush, she dips into these blushes over here, and she lightly tap onto the cheeks. So for this one here, I am not gonna use it. It's off the video. And then there's the body sparkles. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. Let's see, maybe I might. So yeah, there's a lot of sparkles in there, very delicate. I'm gonna use whatever is left inside the cover and probably just pop it on my eyes. She does not highlight her face, and I'm probably sweating right now so much, and yes, I am. Oh dear. So I'm gonna take whatever is left onto my finger and tap it on top of my eyelid. It's probably not that obvious, but if it's obvious, then cool. And finally, I'm gonna use my mama's favorite lipstick. Yes. I've never used it before, so I'm gonna use it right now. All right, here we go. Okay, here we are. I feel so fierce. I feel so red, so Gryffindor. Yeah, I'm matching with my shirt and my curtain at the back, so we're cool. Okay, so this is the look using my mom's makeup. This was fun. This was actually fun. So most of you know I don't really wear red lipstick so much. Very rarely I do, maybe just during events. But my mom, it's like her signature, her trademark. She wears red lipstick every day, and she's a very classy woman, and I love that. I think that's what I got from her, maybe. She takes care of herself, her beauty and everything, and I think that's like a statement for her, you know, like a strong woman wearing a red lipstick. Yeah, mom's strong. So am I. Alright, so this has come to an end. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share. And guess what? We reached 300 subscribers. Yay! Thanks to you guys. It's great because I'm so happy to know that I've got friends and families and like other people out there that I don't know who supports me and pushes me. I look like those dolls back in the 20s, if you know what I'm talking about. I don't know what they call it, porcelain dolls. Yeah, if you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. And I love you all.